Patrymau iaith diwrnod 6. Ardal Caernarfon. Uwch 2, uned 6 I 11. Day 6 Language Patterns. Amhersonol, impersonal. Wait. The ending wait is impersonal and past tense. Impersonal means that it does not include information about who or what completed the action. It can be used as a short form of the passive past tense. Cyhoeddwyd y llyfr ddoe. Cafodd y llyfr ei gyhoeddi ddoe. The book was published yesterday. Cynhaliwyd ymchwiliad. Rhoddwyd y gorau I chwilio am y rhai sydd ar goll. Arestiwyd 5 dyn yn dilyn y ddamwain. Carcharwyd y tair am gyfanswm o 20 mlynedd. Rhyddhawyd nhw yn gynnar y bore yma. Lladdwyd dros 100 o bobl. Cyhoeddwyd y newyddion yn hwyr neithiwr. Ymosodwyd ar y pentref o'r awyr. Difrodwyd y cartrefi gan y storm. Anafwyd Sam Jones yn y gêm gwpan ddydd Sadwrn. Penderfynwyd cau'r ysgol yn yr Hydref. Achoswyd y ddamwain gan niwl trwchus. Daliwyd y lladron y tu allan i'r banc. Galwyd am heddwch rhwng y ddwy wlad. Ir. Ir is used as a verb ending for the impersonal in the present or future tense. Cyhoeddir y llyfr y flwyddyn nesaf. Bydd y llyfr yn cael ei gyhoeddi'r flwyddyn nesaf. The book will be published next year. Cynhelir ffair yn yr ysgol yfory. Agorir y drysau am 3 o'r gloch. Cyhoeddir enw'r bar buddigol ar ddiwedd y gystadleuaeth. Gellir codi tâl am barcio. Siaredir Cymraeg yma. Ni chaniateir ysmygu. Eat. The ending eat is used in the imperfect and conditional tense. Cyhoeddwyd llawer o lyfrau. Roedd llawer o lyfrau'n cael eu cyhoeddi. Lots of books were published in the past over a length of time that is now finished. These 3 words are very useful and worth learning. Gellir. Gellir talu a cherdyn credyd. Gellid. Gellid bod wedi osgoi'r tân. Dylid. Dylid gorfodi seiclwyr I wisgo helmed. Mynd, dod, gwneud, and cael. As ever, things are a little different for mynd, dod, gwneud, and cael. Mynd. Eithpwyd. Aid. Eir. Eid. Dod. Daethpwyd. Deir. Deiet. Gwneud. Gwnaethpwyd. Gwnaed. Gwneir. Gwneud. Cael. Cafwyd. Ceir. Ceid. In the impersonal, mynd and dod will be followed by the preposition a. Note that there is no mutation on the object of an impersonal verb. Cymalau negyddol, negative clauses. There are different types of positive clauses. Here are some examples we know so far. A clause, cymal, using bod, bydd or basau. Dywedodd rhywun ei bod hi'n byw yn Llanarthur. Dwi'n siŵr fy mod I wedi gweld popeth. Dwi'n gwybod y byddwch chi'n gweithio. Dwi'n gobeithio basen nhw'n mynd. In the negative, we use na or nad before a vowel and bod. Nad ydw I, nad wyt ti, nad ydy Sam, nad ydyn ni, nad ydych chi, nad ydyn nhw. This can be thought of the negative version of fy mod I, dy fod ti, etc. For each of the previous examples, here are the negative versions. Dywedodd rhywun nad ydy hi'n byw yn Llanarthur. Dwi'n siŵr nad ydw I wedi gweld popeth. Dwi'n gwybod na fyddwch chi'n gweithio. Dwi'n gobeithio na fasen nhw'n mynd. The na or nad can be used in other tenses as shown in these examples. Dwi'n gwybod nad oes dosbarth yr wythnos nesaf. Clywais I nad oedd hi yn y dosbarth neithiwr. Dyma'r grŵp nad enillodd y sioe dalent. Dwi'n credu na fydd y plant yn dod i'r parti. Notice that dim is not used. The negation comes from na or nad. As with many negative phrases, na causes an aspirate mutation, treiglad llais, for t, c, p, and a soft mutation, treiglad meddal, for b, d, g. Nad is used in place of my in front of vowels and consonants in clauses with an emphasis, pwyslais. Mae hi'n gwybod mai ti wnaeth. Mae hi'n gwybod nad ti wnaeth. Clywais I mai Dafydd enillodd y ras. Clywais I nad Dafydd enillodd y ras. A, which or who. The conjunction, cysylltair a, can be used to link two sentences and means which or who in the past and future tense. Fo ydy'r dyn. He is the man. And gwelais I o yn y siop ddoe. I saw him in the shop yesterday. Fo ydy'r dyn a welais I yn y siop ddoe. He is the man whom I saw in the shop yesterday. In this context, a causes a soft mutation, treiglad meddal, and does not change in front of vowels. Hon ydy'r gân a glywais I ar y radio neithiwr. This is the song which I heard on the radio last night. You might not hear the a in spoken Welsh, but the mutation will still be there. Notice that in all the examples above, the first part is an emphatic statement. In the present tense, you use sy'n in place of a. Dyma Sian sy'n arwain y côr heno. Dyma Siôn a fydd yn arwain y côr wythnos nesaf. If the person at the beginning is plural, the singular third person is still used in the second part. Dyma'r person a gollodd ei swydd yn y ffatri. Dyma'r bobl a gollodd ei swyddi yn y ffatri. Ansoddeiriau benywaidd a lluosog. Feminine and plural adjectives. Consider this table of colours. Glas, gleision, gwyrdd, gwerdd, gwrddion, gwyn, gwen, gwynion, melyn, melen, melynion, coch, cochion. Some adjectives have a feminine form and a plural form. This is most commonly used with colours when describing something feminine. Gwyn, Gwen, Cath wen, Gwyrdd, Gwerdd, Deilen werdd, Melyn, Melen, Ffroc felen. Notice how the changes to e. Here are the most commonly used adjectives that have a feminine form. Crwn, cron, y bêl gron. Hirgrwn, hirgron, y bêl hirgron. Dofn, dofn, afon ddofn, argraff ddofn. Bychan, bechan, gardd fechan. Byr, ber, stori fer, ffilm fer. Llyfn, llefn, carreg lefn. Cryf, cref, iaith gref, dadl gref. Llym, llem, beirniadaeth lem. To help remember this, think of the names Gwyn, male, and Gwen, female, where the in the male name changes to e in the female name. Some adjectives have a plural form when the ending describing more than one thing. The most common is the plural form of arall, eraill. Usually you add the ending ion at the end of the adjective to create the plural form. Byr, byrion. Poeth, poethion. If the adjective ends in a vowel, you add the ending on. Garw, geirwon. If the word includes the letters an, then an changes to ein. Ifanc, ifainc. Bychan, bychain. Gwybod ystyr geiriau estynedig. Knowing the meaning of extended words. There are ways in Welsh to add a beginning or an end to a word to extend its meaning. At the beginning of a word. Here are 3 common prefixes. Gwrth, opposite. Gwrthwynebedd, gwrthdaro. Gwrthgloc. Without. Diofal, diniwed. An, making it negative. Anfantais, anghofio, anhapus. At the end of the word, here are 3 common suffixes. Gar, likes or has essentially the same characteristics. Ariangar, ameneddgar. Lon, possesses the characteristic of the root word, derived from llawn, so implies it is full of. Ffyddlon, ffrwythlon. Ish, possesses the characteristic of the root word, used when describing people. Hapus, gwybodus.